everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make horenso to tamago no soup. It's a simple soup with spinach and egg. Very easy and quick to make, but hearty and delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this horenso to tamago no soup. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some spinach, it's about 200 grams. 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons each of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock and salt, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm making the broth first, so 4 cups of water and all the seasoning into the pot. Four cups of water, 2 teaspoons of hondashi, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And just bring it to boil. In the meantime, let's cut the spinach. If you're using baby spinach, you don't need to cut it. Let's cut the bottom off. And just cut it into 2 inches or so. And eggs. Crack them in a small bowl and beat it. Now, the broth is boiling. If you're using baby spinach, all at once. But if you're using this kind of spinach, all the stalks first. So let's put the stalks. When it's wilted, leafy part of the spinach. When it comes to boil again, pour the beaten eggs little by little as you swirl the broth. Kill the heat and the soup is ready. Let's serve in the soup bowl. And horenso to tamago no soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. You can sip it straight from the bowl. Some spinach and egg. It's such a simple soup with simple ingredients, but it's so flavorful and comforting. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Horenso to tamago no soup goes here and plain rice here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about satsumaimo no butani for the main, ingen no gomae for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!